what's good? This is your boy Jay Hicks back with another video. So continuing on the topic of changing out the interior of my 2019 Chevy Silverado. So ran into a couple of hiccups. So specifically, as you can see, so got the center console done, those back seats, front seats, but as you can see, taking off the door panels and basically got ready to paint those, but I ran up out of certain materials. So I ordered those, which crazy, as I'm filming this video, it literally made it in today, finally. So I'll probably get started on them sometime or another because I'm going up out of time. All right, with this video, so it's gonna be like a 2-in-1. So I started taking the rest of my interior out. I was gonna have that already cleaned and everything, but I'm doing this just whenever I have free time. So meaning I work throughout the week. So once I get off, I can only do so much. So I will upload the video from yesterday of me taking parts of the interior out. So I was able to take the center console out, the old seats, and my radio and parts of the dashboard. So today I'll be taking the rest, and hopefully soon we can get everything painted and taken care of. So stay tuned. Y'all them, so I already took this off one time. Whew. Just make sure I don't mess up nothing. I don't even know how to get half of this. A T15. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dang. I'm gonna use this to see what you do here. All this on there. On the fucking boss. Right on, right. It's fucking Ross. Fuck. Right. So we got this here part here. Now, whew. And y'all just don't know. Yo, boy. It's struggling. No, I am not trying to jack my own truck. Whew. Damn, this shit dusty, cuz. Whew. Dusty as can be. Had a few little hiccups or whatever. Had to turn my camera off a few times or whatever just to make sure I was doing certain things right. But for the most part, shoot, I got everything out. The only thing I don't have here is I'm missing the steering wheel. So hey, I got the airbag to it out, but yeah. So got a little too dark. Like, man, that steering wheel is a monster. You hear me? Oh my god. But yeah, but for the most part, like I said earlier, I will be going up out of town tomorrow. Be gone all day. I'll be back. Hopefully I get something done. One of these days. Hey, spring break around the corner for me, so hopefully I plan to have all of this done during spring break. That's my plan. Have everything done by the end of my spring break. And then once I have that done, then I can start on the charger. So stay tuned. Hey, same as always. Hey, y'all be blessed. Y'all be safe. And as always, love you. Like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next video.